In this video I will tell you that how to use saved audio on Instagram Reels. So first of all you need to open up the Instagram here, and then first of all we will actually like save the audio here. So I will open up the search bar and I will search for music here, and then we will go to the audio tab here and I will just like save this. So if I open up this here, so here you can see that we have this bookmark or save option. So I will just bookmark this. Now I have saved this audio. I will tap on this plus icon here and go to the reels option here, and I will make a new reel here. So let me just make a reel here. After making the reel here, I will tap on this audio option here, and here you can see we have this saved option. Tap on this one and we have this music here. Tap on this one and now this music has been added to our reel. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.